This section of the lecture studies a case of a university campus network, which is depicted in this figure. The design of the university campus network is atypical for an enterprise. It includes edge module, campus module, data center module, and infrastructure module. Okay, the edge network is located at the IT building and consists of a head-end router with a single one link from the ISP. Behind the router, a firewall with two segments, one segment to the DMZ and one segment to the campus network. Okay, segments configured in the edge network include DMZ, which includes DNS, email and web, and also VPN for remote access. And also the segments of the edge network include the internet connectivity and firewall and IDS, which is intrusion detection prevention or system, intrusion detection system. The campus network consists of a distribution switch connects to the data center, okay, and has fiber cables. Fiber cable runs to switches in other buildings, and it terminates the VLANs and layer 3 for them. Okay, the IT building houses the IT department with 200 employees. It also houses the data center. This is the IT building. And the administration building houses the administrative departments with 600 employees. The engineering building, education building, and the science building each have their separated departments. Actually, they are colleges inside the university. And each has 100 employees. The campus network incorporates VLANs, includes wired data, wireless, internal users, guests, and VoIP, voice over IP. Okay. The third module or the third network is the data center. This includes a typical collapsed core with top-of-rack switches and two servers. The data center network includes the following components: storage network and private cloud. This is for internal use, I mean for the university usage. The fourth network is the infrastructure network. This includes such elements as loopback and management interfaces, point-to-point interfaces, and guest wireless networks. Approaches to follow. There are two approaches to follow in address planning of IPv6 network. But before we mention these approaches, we need to define two logical concepts. Number one, a site. A site is a logical concept, refers to an entity that has well-defined boundaries. These boundaries are most typically based on location or based on a function. In this context, the university campus network is considered as a site. Okay. Another logical concept is the intrasite. Intrasite is a subnet within a well-defined boundary site. Each module inside the campus is considered as an intrasite. Addressing plans in IPv6 are about defining and assigning blocks of subnets based on the site structure of the university campus network. There are two possible approaches to creating a design. Number one, bottom-top approach. In this approach, we assign blocks of subnets to the intra-sites first, and then up to the sites. So we go from bottom to top. We call it bottom-up approach. The second approach is top-down approach. We assign in this approach blocks of subnets to the sites first and then down to the intra-sites. In our network, the top-bottom approach seems to be more applicable. But we need first to identify the site and the intra-sites within the site. The university campus has one site, so we can say we have a site which is the whole network, the whole university campus network. And within this site, there is a number of intra-sites, which is the modules, 4 modules: edge, campus, data center, infrastructure. The most important thing to be considered that both sites and intra-sites can be expanded in the future. This is very important to consider.